of course, some stickers. This day I've been looking forward to. I've got a special package from a company in Australia. It's handmade, and it's something that I've really been needing on Storm, especially during the winter. But anyways, it's here, finally. And you might be wondering why I've got my jacket on. It's because I just picked it up and I'm gonna mount it now. So let's look what's inside the package. Let's see. Now this. My God, they're heavy. Now this is well made. I've been running some cheap, like $30 eBay replacements. And by all means, they were better than the original, like candles that Defenders are famous for having. As you can see, they're built of plastic and the quality is just poor. They might work in warmer conditions, but in Norway, where we have minus 20, 30 degrees, they just break, basically. So these are handmade. They're really good quality. I think it's aluminum. And they just look sick. And I can't help it. I don't know if it's okay in 2025, but I just love this name. Oh, okay. So I'm just gonna unpack the other one. Let's get these Bangin Headlights mounted. Installing new headlights on a Defender is actually really simple. That being said, there's always some screw on that that's rusty. But anyways, it should be straightforward. So I chose the Restomod 7 headlights, but you can also go for a traditional 7-inch headlight if you want the classic look. But no matter what you choose, you'll get the real glass, you'll get LED projector technology, and it's glare-free light with real glass. It just makes a huge difference. And if you watch until the end, there's a little fun part that I'll show you, but it's just for fun. The lights are plug and play, so it's really easy and there's no need for relays, no external drivers, and it's just designed to fit without needing any modification.